Hey friends, if you wish to download and backup all Gmail emails on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So let us say this is our Gmail email. Okay, so go to takeout.google.com. Okay, so we have reached Google Takeout. Now check or uncheck whatever details you do not want, like I don't want this and I don't want assignments and all, and check whatever details you want to download. There are usually 69 of them, but it may be more or less depending upon the account. Click on next. Okay, select this one. I will want to add it to the drive and then click on create export. Okay, it will start exporting the process. It will ask for verification keys and all, but I will select this one, this channel. Okay, and then I will enter the pin. It will verify me and then it will send the details to my drive. Okay, was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.